Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can access a Google Demo account, which is super helpful when you're just starting out with Google Analytics and want to get familiar with the interface. So Google itself provides demo accounts to help us learn, and I'll walk you through how to access them. Step 1 is to search for Google Demo account. Now the first result you will see is the Demo Account Analytics Help. Click on it. Once the page opens, scroll down a bit and you will see the Access the Demo Account button. So Google provides two demo accounts for us to explore: Google Merchandise Store Web Data and Flooded App and Web Data. For this video, I'll be using the Google Merchandise Store Web Data. So let's click on it. Once you click, Google may ask you to confirm access with your email. Just approve it and you're in. And that's it. Now you can explore the Google Analytics interface using real-world data. This was just introduction to accessing the demo account. In the next video, I'll walk you through the entire interface, explain key features, and show you how to analyze data, drill down into reports, and solve real problems using Google Analytics. So stay tuned for more. Bye.